Welcome to YouTube. Imagine a luxury SUV so powerful, so elegant, and so unbelievably futuristic that the moment it appears on the road, everything around it feels ordinary. But here's the shocking part: this machine is not just about luxury. It's about status, emotion, silence, and power combined into one breathtaking masterpiece. And trust me, what Mercedes-Maybach is preparing for the 2026-2027 S680 SUV could completely change the future of ultra-luxury driving forever. So stay with me till the end, because this SUV hides details that true car lovers can never ignore. The 2026-2027 Mercedes-Maybach S680 SUV is not simply another luxury vehicle. It feels more like a private jet transformed into an SUV. Every line, every light, every sound, and every detail is designed to make the driver and passengers feel like royalty. The moment this SUV enters the street, people stop and stare. It carries a presence that cannot be explained in words. It is bold, massive, elegant, and incredibly futuristic at the same time. From the front, the SUV looks absolutely commanding. Mercedes-Maybach has designed a giant chrome grille with illuminated detailing that instantly creates a premium look. The signature LED lighting stretches beautifully across the front, giving the SUV a sharp and intelligent face. The body shape is smooth and aerodynamic, but still muscular enough to show real power. Huge luxury wheels, hidden door handles, premium chrome accents, and a glowing Maybach emblem make this SUV look like something from the future. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The cabin of the 2026-2027 Mercedes-Maybach S680 SUV feels more luxurious than many five-star hotels. Mercedes has taken comfort to another level. Soft handcrafted leather covers almost every surface. Real wood trim, crystal-inspired controls, ambient lighting, and futuristic digital screens surround the passengers with pure elegance. The seats are designed like first-class airline seats with massage functions, heating, cooling, and reclining technology that makes long drives feel relaxing and peaceful. And this SUV is not only about luxury, it is also about silence. Mercedes-Maybach engineers have worked deeply on cabin insulation. Once the doors close, the outside world almost disappears. You hear nothing except soft music and the smooth whisper of power beneath the hood. It creates a calm emotional feeling that makes every journey unforgettable. Now let's talk about performance, because this luxury beast is expected to carry unbelievable power. The new Mercedes-Maybach S680 SUV could arrive with a handcrafted V12 engine combined with advanced hybrid technology. That means insane acceleration mixed with smooth and silent performance. This SUV may produce over 700 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful luxury SUVs ever created. Imagine pressing the accelerator and feeling this giant machine launch forward with unbelievable smoothness. No struggle, no noise, just effortless power. Mercedes is also expected to introduce intelligent air suspension technology that reads the road ahead and adjusts the suspension before the SUV even reaches bumps or rough surfaces. That means passengers feel almost no discomfort inside the cabin. Whether driving through city streets, highways, or mountain roads, the SUV stays balanced, smooth, and luxurious. And the technology inside this vehicle is simply mind-blowing. The massive infotainment system is expected to feature next-generation artificial intelligence. The SUV may learn driver habits, personalize seating positions automatically, adjust climate settings, and even suggest routes based on traffic and preferences. Voice control will become smarter than ever. Just speaking naturally could allow drivers to control almost everything inside the cabin. The rear seats may become the true highlight of this luxury masterpiece. Mercedes-Maybach understands that many owners will enjoy being chauffeured. That is why the rear cabin is expected to feel like a moving executive lounge. Large entertainment screens, fold-out tables, premium sound systems, mini refrigerators, champagne holders, and advanced relaxation functions may all become part of the experience. At night, this SUV could become even more beautiful. Imagine the ambient lighting glowing softly across the cabin while the panoramic roof reveals the night sky above. Soft music plays quietly in the background while the SUV glides smoothly across the road. This is not just driving anymore. It becomes an emotional luxury experience that few vehicles in the world can deliver. Safety is another area where Mercedes-Maybach plans to dominate completely. The 2026-2027 S680 SUV is expected to feature the latest autonomous driving systems, advanced collision prevention, intelligent parking assistance, 360-degree monitoring, and ultra-modern driver support technologies. Mercedes wants this SUV to feel not only luxurious but also incredibly intelligent and safe. And honestly, this SUV is more than transportation. It represents success. It represents achievement. It tells the world that you have reached a different level in life. That is the emotional power behind Maybach vehicles. People don't buy them only for speed or luxury. They buy them because these vehicles create a feeling that ordinary cars simply cannot offer. What makes this upcoming SUV even more exciting is the possibility of a fully electrified future version. Mercedes is moving rapidly toward electric luxury performance, and many experts believe the Maybach S680 SUV may eventually combine electric technology with ultra-premium comfort in a way the world has never seen before. The exterior color options are also expected to be breathtaking. Deep black finishes, elegant silver combinations, rich white tones, and exclusive two-tone Maybach paint schemes could make every SUV feel unique and personalized. Buyers may even have the option to customize interiors with rare materials and handcrafted details according to personal taste. This SUV is designed for celebrities, business tycoons, luxury lovers, and dreamers who want the absolute best. And even for viewers watching this video right now, it is impossible not to admire the beauty and presence of such a machine. The 2026-2027 Mercedes-Maybach S680 SUV is shaping up to become one of the most luxurious, most powerful, and most emotional SUVs the automotive world has ever seen. It blends elegance, technology, comfort, silence, and performance into one unforgettable masterpiece. And after seeing everything,